Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create patterns with AI or using AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version or desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Start by click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and then try to find pattern with AI, so you can create seamless pattern made easy with AI. So here we go, powered by AI. Browse image from the free gallery of this pattern with AI. So you can generate unique designs for background, branding, event invitation, and personalized merchandise. So click to use in new design. To start with a whiteboard, and here we go. You can describe your patterns or you can try example. And this is the creation. You can upload or select an image from your design to add to your title, for example, if you already have an image from your design. And this is the gallery, so you can choose this, but you have to upgrade to use this feature. And this is the AI. For example, you can try the example: northern light in green and purple, snowy mountain, starry night sky, mystical winter night, tranquil and awe-inspiring. So here you can choose the style: cute, watercolor, paper cut, isometric, low poly. Let's start with this low poly maybe. And number image of generate, you can up to 4 and the minimum is 2. Let's try with the 4, then generate pattern. Please wait while we generate. The northern light in green and purple, snowy mountain, starry night sky, mystical winter night, tranquil and awe-inspiring. And this is the result. So there are 4 designs that you can use. This one. To add as background, you can click it, and here we go. This is the pattern. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.